A very good day to Dr. Nisuyuan. We are from Group 6. We'll present our project on Object-Oriented Programming SECJ2154. Our chosen topic is Courier Delivery System. Before I continue, let me introduce my team members first. We have 4 members in our group. The leader is Muhammad Harith Irfan bin Khairul Fazlee. Then we have Muhammad Hazim bin Azlan, Muhammad Faisal bin Amiruddin, and I am Nur Aisyah binti Azmi. I will start the introduction of the system first. The COVID-19 outbreak has changed our lifestyle, where people were advised to stay at home if they did not have any important matters outside. They were also introduced to online learning and working from home. Some of the people even got dismissed from their work and lost their source of income. We can say that actually many people affected by this situation, especially in terms of financial. As a result, most of people decided to start online business and frequently use courier services to send their goods to customers. Our proposed courier delivery system is designed to ease the user's works and provide freedom in choosing courier services while also lessen the social contact. We move on to problem statement that we have identified. The first problem is uncentralized system where different courier services have different system. The second problem statement is people still trauma to get outside of their house. This is due to COVID-19 cases that although it has been about 2 years, the cases are still high and it will risk many people if they did not take care of themselves well. And the last problem statement is waste of time. As I mentioned before, different courier services have different systems. Hence, it will take time for the users to find one by one and do their desired task in each system. Next is objective and scope. The first objective is to provide a centralized courier system where the user can have freedom to choose any type of courier services under a single system. The second one is to reduce social contact between people. This can be achieved by provide a system that can manage almost all of the courier matters online. And the last objective is to ease the flow of courier system with a straightforward and simple system design. Next, I will pass the presentation to Faisal.
Hello, my name is Muhammad Faisal bin Amiruddin and I will continue project planning for Courier's delivery system. We have stated the classes, attribute and method used in each of the classes and the relationship that are used in our project within UML class diagram that is being shown right now. We have a total of 8 classes in our system which are Courier, Price Parcel, Item, Person, Sender, Receiver, Address, and Courier System class. The relationship shown are inheritance, composition, and association. Inheritance that represent and is a relationship as shown with the person class being the parent along with sender and receiver class acting as the child. For composition, that represents contain a relationship as shown with the price parcel dependence towards courier and address class dependence toward the person class. Last but not least, association represents a general binary relationship with the person and courier class whereby one courier can take one-to-many person order while one person can only order using one courier. Now moving on towards our project design, we have learned that how to incorporate the notions of composition, association, and inheritance in the classes in our project. This is highly practical method for connecting classes so that we may make objects, allowing objects from the classes to convey data to the other objects in the connection is also quite helpful. Additionally, We use vector and array methods in our programming. Vector is used to add elements from the txt files and save data in our vector. This can be seen in our price parser class. While the array, on the other hand, is used to store the data values in their array index, which we use for our Courier class. Lastly, I will continue with conclusion. In conclusion, the system is successfully satisfied the project objective. We managed to produce a system that can fulfill users' needs when using the Courier system. We also propose further improvement that focus on optimizing the system by having two types of user. It is beneficial for users that use the system regularly. We believe that the system can help the user in choosing career system without limited options. Now let's move on to the demonstration of our project coding.
Hi and Assalamualaikum. So my name is Muhammad Harith Irfan bin Khairul Fazlee. So this is our project demo. So first of all, we need to run this code. So after we run this code, the system will display the welcome to courier delivery system to the user. It will give choice for user to either send parcel, display parcel information, or exit. So when user enter one, it will ask the user to select their courier that they want. So it is either JNT Express, Posaju, DHL, or Ninja Van, Skynet, or GDEX. So for this demo, I will try to put JNT Express first. So after that, the system will ask user to input the sender detail. So let's put first. Okay, after they complete the sender detail, the system will ask for the receiver detail. So let me finish it first. Okay, after the sender detail and receiver detail already complete by the user, the system again will ask user for the parcel information. In this segment, the system will only ask for user to enter the weight and the notes for the parcel. The notes is like, for example, if the parcel is fragile, user can give some notice to the courier. So let's go first. Enter the weight 7.8, and then the note is this item is fragile. Okay then. After the user complete the all information for the parcel, like the receiver detail, sender detail, and also parcel information, the system will bring back user to the main page. Okay, for this code, for this interface code, first of all, when user enter one, okay, the system will first clear the screen of the main page and then we'll call the add item method. Okay, for this add item method, like I said before, it will ask user to input the, or it will ask user to choose the courier first. Okay, and then it will ask the user to enter the sender detail and also the receiver detail. And after that, it will ask user again to enter the passing information like wake and the notes. Okay, after that, after user enter all this information, the system will generate a random tracking number by using the ID of the courier, such as JNT. We will the front tracking number will be JNT, and then all this information will be stored at the vector. I think that's all from my part. Thank you.
And good afternoon, doctor. Okay, so now we continue for the display passing information algorithm. So the first thing first, when the user run this system, is that the system will display all this page. So when the user want to see the passing information, the user need to insert input 2 and then press enter. So in this screen, the system prompt user to enter which parcel they want to see. The first one is from JNT and the second one is from Post Laju. So if the user want to see the first parcel information, the user just need to insert input 1. So the system will display all the parcel information. And then if the user want to see the second parcel information, the user just need to enter input 2. Then the system will display all the second parcel information. So now we will talk about the algorithm. So basically everything happen in display parcel information is here, which is the first one, which is the first part. The system will display the tracking number by the system will display the tracking number that's stored in the parcel vector by using this parcel.element at .get number tracking. And then based on the user choice, the system will display the item information by calling this parcel.element at .display, and then the system will call the sender information by calling this parcel.element at .getSender.display, and lastly the system will display the receiver information by calling this function parcel.element at .getReceiver.display. So that's all from me. Thank you.